You think your fancy new car is built to last? Think again. Most of the features they're selling you as upgrades are ticking time bombs. And if your car has even one of the 13 I'm about to list, it's not a matter of if it breaks down, but when. We're talking engine-destroying, anxiety-causing disaster magnets with annual $1,000 repairs. The worst one? It cost you $1,000 for every $1 it supposedly saves. Let's begin with one of the most hated driver assistance features ever made. Feature number 13, automatic start-stop systems. Marketing teams call it a green revolution. I call it a mechanical execution. Automatic start-stop is sold as a way to save the planet and your wallet, but in the real world, it's a fast track to a $5,000 engine catastrophe. Think about the physics here. Your battery and starter motor weren't designed to fire up 50 times on a single trip to the grocery store. To compensate, manufacturers toss in heavy-duty AGM or deep cycle batteries. The catch? Those batteries cost double, sometimes triple the price of a standard unit, and many modern SUVs now hide two of them. But the real hidden killer is thermal stress and lubrication. Most engine wear occurs during the startup cycle, before oil pressure is fully stabilized. When your engine constantly dies and revs back up in heavy traffic, you are punishing your main bearings. If you aren't changing your oil every 5,000 miles with the highest grade full synthetic, you are begging for a seized motor. Is saving $25 a year on gas worth the anxiety of your car stalling out at a busy intersection? Every time I get into a press car, the first thing I do is hit the off button. You should too. Feature number 12, auto parking assist. Would you let a toddler park your $60,000 truck? Because that's essentially what you're doing with auto parking assist. Data shows this is the least trusted feature in the industry, and for good reason. It's a game of Russian roulette with your insurance premium. These systems rely on ultrasonic sensors that are easily blinded. A bit of road grime, a low-hanging shadow, or a slightly slanted curb is all it takes for the computer to miscalculate a distance. I've seen these systems try to bay park straight into a concrete pillar because the sensor didn't like the sun's reflection. The irony? By the time the computer finds a spot, calculates the trajectory, and shuffles into place, you could have parked manually 5 times over. Don't let a sensor dent your credit score. Spend 20 minutes in an empty parking lot practicing your reverse parallels instead. It's free, and it won't fail when it rains. Feature number 11, Lane Keep Assist. Lane Keep Assist is marketed as a lifesaver, but it often feels more like a tug of war with a ghost. It uses a complex symphony of forward-facing cameras, EPS motors, and radar. If just one performer in that symphony hits a sour note, the whole system collapses. The vulnerability here is staggering. A single bug splat on your windshield or a layer of morning frost can blind the camera, causing the system to either shut down or worse, jerk the wheel because it misread a tar strip as a lane marker. And let's talk about the windshield tax. In a normal car, a stone chip is a $300 fix. In an LKA-equipped car, you're looking at $1,000 or more because you need ADAMS grade glass and a mandatory dealer recalibration. If you're driving on a winding back road, turn this off. It isn't a co-pilot, it's a distraction waiting to pull you into a head-on collision. Feature number 10, adaptive cruise control. Manufacturers have had 30 years to get adaptive cruise control right, and they are still failing. ACC is great until it isn't, and isn't usually happens at 70 miles per hour when someone cuts you off. The sensors are the Achilles heel. Most radar units are tucked right behind the front emblem, the first place to get hammered by rocks, slush, and bugs. A $500 minor fender bender in 1998 is now a $3,500 sensor replacement in 2026. The system gets notoriously confused by motorcycles or cars merging closely. It either slams on the brakes for no reason or fails to see the stationary traffic ahead. They promise a 14% fuel saving on the highway, but the first time that radar unit fails out of warranty, those savings vanish into a cloud of repair bills.
Feature number 9, blind spot monitoring. BSM should be a lifesaver, especially for motorcycles and bikes, but too many systems flat out miss them. Small, fast-moving objects like motorcycles often slip through sensors tuned for cars, not slim profiles. Parked vehicles, guardrails, or concrete barriers trigger false alerts or none at all. Rain or mud on rear bumper sensors, reliability tanks, giving false positives or deadly silence. A minor bumper tap knocks calibration out, $500 recall, or $2,000 plus sensor swap. Real protection? Old school shoulder checks plus mirrors. Tech can't replace your eyes yet. Motorcyclists in the comments, has BSM ever missed you or a buddy? Share your stories. Feature number 8, TPMS reset reminders. The tire pressure light is serious. Low tires triple crash risk, but constant false warnings from the spare tire sensor dying or losing pressure make people ignore it entirely. That's dangerous. Spare loses 1 psi every few months, even sitting still. Sensor batteries last 5 to 10 years, then die. Rotate tires, recal needed. Bad sensor, $100 to $250 each to replace, times 4. Skip the drama, buy a $15 to $20 digital gauge, check monthly. More accurate, cheaper, and you catch real issues before they strand you. Feature number 7, keyless entry auto unlock. Car thefts are evolving, and keyless is thief catnip. Relay attacks let crooks amplify your fob signal from your pocket or house. Car unlocks in seconds, no broken glass. Stats show keyless methods dominate thefts in many places, with devices cheap and attacks quick. Even without fancy gear, the 30 to 150 second delay before auto relock gives smash and grab time. Live low crime? Cool convenience. Anywhere else? Disable auto unlock if possible, or use a Faraday pouch for the fob. Old school lock button is safer. Feature number 6, automatic high beam. Headlights often fail IIHS standards anyway, so auto high beams try to fix it, but the camera gets blinded by dirt, bugs, rain, fog, snow. On twisty roads, it refuses to dim, blinding oncoming drivers. Repair? Another $800 to $1,200 windshield camera job. Annoying disable dance while driving increases risk. Just leave it off. Manual high beams with attention beat glitchy auto every time. Feature number 5, panoramic sunroofs. There are 2 types of panoramic sunroofs, those that leak and those that haven't started leaking yet. Adding a giant sheet of glass to a structural frame that flexes and twists is a recipe for disaster. Eventually, the seals degrade or the drainage tubes clog with debris. I've seen $70,000 SUVs totaled because a clogged drain sent water into the main wiring harness, frying the entire electrical system. Unless you enjoy the smell of mold and $3,000 repair bills for a broken motor track, stick to a solid roof. Feature number 4, automatic climate control. In the good old days, if your heater broke, it was a $20 cable. Today, it's a failed blend door actuator buried deep behind your dashboard. Automatic climate control relies on a web of sensors and motors to maintain that perfect 72 degrees. When one sensor fails, the whole system can go haywire, leaving you shivering in January while the car thinks it's August. A repair that should be simple can easily spiral into a $1,500 labor-intensive nightmare. Feature number 3. Complex infotainment and instrument clusters. We are currently seeing a massive wave of recalls for blackout screens. When your speedometer is a tablet instead of a mechanical needle, a software glitch doesn't just mean no music, it means you don't know how fast you're going. Everything is being shoved into these screens. AC, radio, even safety settings. If the screen dies out of warranty, you aren't just losing your GPS, you're losing the ability to defrost your windows. Replacements can cost upwards of $7,000. It's a marketing gimmick that has no place in a machine designed for safety. Feature number 2, Eco Mode. This is the engine killer button. Eco Mode doesn't just save gas, it forces your transmission into the highest gear as fast as possible, keeping your RPMs dangerously low. In the industry, we call this lugging the engine. It puts massive strain on your rod bearings and causes carbon to bake onto your intake valves. For the sake of saving 1 mile per gallon, you are literally suffocating your engine and inviting an $8,000 rebuild.
If you have a turbo or a CVT transmission, Eco Mode is a death sentence. Leave it off and drive normally. Feature number 1, over-the-air software updates, the king of recalls. In 2024, millions of cars were repaired via software updates. On paper, it's convenient. In reality, it's a way for manufacturers to push unfinished cars to market and fix them later. We've seen OTA updates brick cars, leaving them stranded in driveways until they're towed to a dealer. Even worse, some updates fail to actually fix critical safety issues like airbag deployment, giving drivers a false sense of security. If your car needs a safety fix, don't trust a download. Take it to a human technician who can verify the work. Your life is worth more than a 15-minute download. 13 features, 13 ways to go bankrupt. But don't worry, if you've been using these, you can still save your car. Would you like me to show you the specific maintenance routine that can reverse the damage caused by Eco Mode and start-stop systems?